Of course, I have the opportunity to sort of see and hear firsthand the impacts of these incidents on the community, on individuals, and also our officers. These are a lot of traumatic events that our officers and other first responders are attending to that are not easy events to go to. We've seen a lot going on in the city, not even just, uniquely associated to shooting events, but just lots of traumatic events in the city. And so this is having an impact on our first responders, our healthcare, the systems as a whole. So I certainly feel there, but I certainly feel for the folks that are involved and in the communities, because I see the comments in the media there from individuals living in Radisson and places that, they consider to be safe communities, and I consider those to be safe communities, but they're not feeling safe, and I completely understand. So it makes me feel like we really need to redouble our efforts to be working with community to see what we can do to try to intervene where we can.
The job of protecting communities and keeping them safe for everyone should be one of the most important functions of any government. And for our government, public safety is a top priority. We've been focused on finding new approaches and strategies to keeping Albertans safe. To this end, I'm pleased to announce that the Alberta Crime Prevention Grant is ready and available for eligible groups and organizations to apply. We created this grant of $5.2 million over the next 2 years to support Alberta organizations working to prevent and reduce crime in our communities, keeping our family and our friends safe. Eligible projects and initiatives would include programs that deliver crime prevention, community safety, and well-being services, projects that deliver youth gang prevention and exit programs, and work which enhances skills, knowledge, and capacity of organizations focused on crime prevention.
Crime Stoppers has authorized over $2.7 million in rewards to tipsters, province-wide. On behalf of Crime Stoppers, we are grateful for the Alberta government funding initiatives and crime prevention projects in the province. We'd like to thank the Government of Alberta for their commitment to crime prevention and for crime reduction. With their support, Crime Stoppers will continue to help our police partners prevent and solve crimes and make commitments and communities a safer place for our families to live.
Our organization has seen firsthand the importance of crime prevention programs. These programs provide funding to enable community, agencies, and crime prevention groups to come together and embrace a more inclusive, integrated, and proactive approach to community safety as opposed to a reactive approach, all the while being sensitive to the local needs of the residents and groups within that community. So today, Alberta Community Crime Prevention is excited to share in the announcement of the Crime Prevention Grant. We look forward to working with the Justice Ministry and Solicitor General's Department as we move Alberta communities, both rural and urban, forward with education and crime prevention awareness within the province of Alberta.